If you are still leaving your money in the bank, then you are missing the opportunity of your money working harder for you. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you 10 investment apps that you can use to start your investment journey and grow your money. These apps can work for you whether you are a beginner or you're already investing. So if you want to find out how this 10 app works, then make sure you stick around and watch this video to the end. As a way of introduction, if you are coming across my channel for the first time, my name is John Agbo. What I do on this channel is very simple. I teach people like you how to make, manage, and grow their money. So if you love content like this, then you want to go ahead and subscribe to the channel by clicking the button down here below, and also turn on the bell icon so that anytime I release a new video here, you'll always be the first person to be notified by YouTube. So basically, I'm going to be listing the 10 investment apps that you can use to start your investment journey and grow your money. I will list each of the app for you, and I'll tell you the exact investment that you can make using any of the apps. So in no particular order, the very first one is AfriInvestor 2.0. So AfriInvestor 2.0 is an app that is owned by Risevest Securities Limited, which is a licensed stockbroker in the Nigerian stock market. On AfriInvestor 2.0, you can easily invest in Nigerian stocks. So if you want to invest in Nigerian companies like Dangote Cement, Dangote Sugar, MTN Nigeria, GTCO, Zenith Bank, and all, you can easily do that by using the AfriInvestor 2.0 app. On this same AfriInvestor 2.0, you can easily invest in treasury bills, you can invest in commercial papers, and you can as well invest in Federal Government of Nigeria savings bond. So these are all the investments that you can do using the AfriInvestor 2.0 app. And next we have Plotus Neo. Plotus Neo is also another app that is owned by Risevest Securities Limited. On Plotus Neo, you can easily invest in US companies like Amazon, Meta, Apple, Microsoft, Pinterest, and so many others. So if you are looking at investing in US stocks, you can easily do that by using Plotus Neo. Now here's the thing. You don't need to have a US bank account before you are able to invest in US stocks using Plotus Neo. You can easily deposit your Naira into the app, convert it into dollars, then you go ahead to invest. Apart from investing in US stocks using the Plotus Neo app, you can also be able to invest in a variety of mutual funds. Plotus Neo also allows you to save your money and also earn interest on your savings. And you can decide to save either in Naira or in dollars on Plotus Neo. The next one is Piggyvest. Piggyvest is a savings and investment app that was established in 2015. And ever since then, this app has been consistent with keeping up to their promises. On Piggyvest, you can save your money and earn interest on your savings. And they have a variety of savings plans that you can go with. Piggyvest has a variety of vetted investment opportunities in agriculture and in real estate that you can start with as little as 5,000 Naira. So if you want to invest in agriculture or in real estate and you don't have a lot of money, when you log into the Piggyvest app, you can see a couple of investments in each of these sectors that you can decide to go ahead and invest your money. At number 4 is Risevest. Risevest is an app that allows you to invest in dollar-denominated assets. On Risevest, you can invest in US stocks, you can invest in US ETFs, you can invest in dollar mutual fund, you can also invest in dollar real estate investment trust that gives you an opportunity to make money from rent without having to own a single property. So if you want to diversify your portfolio so you can be able to hedge your money against devaluation and protect it against inflation, then you can easily invest in dollar-denominated assets using the Risevest app. At number 5 is Cowrywise. Cowrywise is also another good savings and investment platform. Cowrywise actually started as a savings platform, then gradually they migrated into investment. On Cowrywise, you can be able to save your money and also you get to earn interest on your savings depending on the savings plan that you actually choose on the platform. Cowrywise also gives you access to a variety of mutual funds that you can invest in. On Cowrywise, you can invest in money market mutual fund, you can invest in equity mutual fund, you can invest in dollar mutual fund, you can also invest in halal mutual fund. There are lots and lots of mutual funds that you can invest in using Cowrywise. Just recently, Cowrywise also launched stocks investment on their platform. So what that means for their users is that If you want to use Cowrywise to invest in Nigerian stocks, you can actually sign up, get your CSCS and your CHN, that you can start investing in Nigerian stocks. At number 6 is Ladder. Ladder is an investment app that gives you the opportunity to invest in treasury bills. Treasury bills is a government-backed investment where you simply invest your money for a period of 3 months, a period of 6 months, or a period of 1 year, and then you get to earn return. And the return is actually given to you upfront. So let's say you want to invest 1 million naira in a treasury bill that pays 10% for a period of 1 year. What you are going to invest in the beginning will be 900,000 naira. But upon maturity, when the government wants to refund your money to you, they are going to refund you 1 million naira. So that's what treasury bills is all about. So you can use Ladder to invest in treasury bills. Treasury bills is a very low risk investment opportunity. So this one is for people who are not willing to take so much risk. The next one is Invest Niger. Invest Niger is an investment app that is owned by Chapel Hill Denham. So Invest Niger allows you to invest in the federal government of Nigeria savings bond. The federal government of Nigeria savings bond is also another low risk investment opportunity. So this particular investment is also backed by the federal government. So all you have to do is to invest with as little as 5,000 naira for a period of 2 years or a period of 3 years, and you'll be getting returns every quarter. But upon maturity, your entire capital will be returned to you. So if you want to invest in the federal government of Nigerian savings bond and be earning returns every 3 months, you can do that by using the Invest Niger app. At number 8 is Trove. Trove is also another good investment app that allows you to grow your money. On Trove, you can invest in Nigerian stocks, you can invest in US stocks, you can also invest in Chinese stocks. So if you want to go beyond just investing in Nigerian stocks and in US stocks, of course, you can also invest in Chinese stocks using the Trove app. One other amazing feature about the Trove app is that they have educational content on their app that allows users to learn more on how investing works. So apart from the fact that you are going to be investing your money on the Trove app, they also share with you educational content that will equip you with the right knowledge on how to become a better investor. At number 9 is ByBit. ByBit is a very popular app and it's one of the most biggest crypto platforms in the world. So ByBit is basically used for saving in crypto and also trading the crypto market. So if you want to save your money in crypto to protect it against naira devaluation and hedge it against inflation, you can use the ByBit app to do that. And also, if you want to trade the crypto market, ByBit is a very good app that you can use to trade the crypto market. But I must warn you that crypto is very volatile. Crypto is very, very risky. So don't just jump into the crypto market without having a proper knowledge on how it works. Before you start trading the crypto market, make sure you do your research, make sure you learn and understand exactly how it works before you actually get started. At number 10 is Harvest. So Harvest is an app that allows you to invest in women-led businesses. So if you're a woman and you want to invest while also making impact at the same time, you can consider using the Harvest app. So these are the 10 investment apps that you can use to grow your money. And all of these apps can be found on Play Store or on App Store. But please do not consider this as a financial advice. Don't invest because I recommended these apps. Before you invest, ensure that you carry out your research and that you make an informed decision if at all you want to use any of these apps to invest or not. So let me know in the comment section which of these apps are you currently using to invest, or which one do you plan to start using next to grow your money. So that will be all for this video. Thank you so much for watching to the end. Do well to like the video and share it with somebody that needs to see this. Until I come your way again with yet another amazing video like this, make sure you keep playing big and I will see you at the top.